Hi, I'm John Foreman. Welcome to the Musiah website. I've just spent the last couple of weeks learning how to play the piano all over again. I've been going through the Musiah course and it's been a lot of fun for me, and I would encourage you to do the same. Whether you're a young person learning how to play the piano or maybe an older person who's always wanted to know how to play the piano, this is a really great place to start. The program will take you right to the very basics of where to find the notes on the piano, how to read music, what all those little dots mean on the page. By the time you've gotten through this program, you'll know about all of that, which is fantastic. But that's just the beginning. There's 13 levels here on the Musiah website to go through, and it takes you right from the very beginnings of how to read and play music right up to an intermediate level, and it's quite a journey. You'll learn about scales along the way, you'll learn about reading, rhythm, pitch, and the great thing about this is that the Musiah character is the artificially intelligent piano teacher. And this is really quite ingenious. I don't know how they do this, but if you play the wrong note, Musiah will tell you that you've played the wrong note. If you're a little bit ahead or a little bit behind the beat, Musiah will tell you specifically what you've done wrong in an encouraging way so that you'll get better and better as you go on. The other thing I think you'll notice here is the quality of the instruments that are used. The backing tracks sound fantastic, and when you're sitting down playing, the actual instruments that you use on the piano that come through are really very high quality, and that's something that really sets this apart. And by the time you've gotten through these 13 levels, which normally would probably take several years to complete, but with the Musiah program this will happen a lot more quickly for you. So I'd encourage you to have a look around the website, enroll in the program, give it a try. I think you'll really enjoy learning how to play music, and this is really a great place to start.